It's more affordable for three reasons. Our liability costs, I pay $600 a year. Whereas in the US, for an orthopedic doctor to open up his practice, minimum, the premium he has to pay per year is $60,000. So that makes a big difference.
What else makes Puerto Vallarta so affordable? Let's find out.
It's more affordable for three reasons. One of the reasons is our overhead cost is not so high like it could be like in some hospitals in the US, but it's very expensive to practice medicine in the US. The other reason is that the implants are shipped directly to us. There's no middle people that are asking for a markup. Because once an implant leaves the manufacturing company, it needs to go through different hands before it actually gets to the patient. Well, in our case, we have direct contact with the companies that manufacture them, and they just send it directly to us, so we don't have the markups. And then number three is our liability cost. We all have liability and malpractice insurance, but I haven't had to use it in maybe 20 years now. And the reason for that is that we get very personal with patients. We really get to know them. We establish very good patient-doctor relationship. But also we are very careful about following protocols and making sure that the patient gets the best care possible. So our liability costs or malpractice insurance, I pay $600 a year. Whereas in the US, for an orthopedic doctor to open up his door and open up his practice, minimum, the premium he has to pay per year is $60,000. So that makes a big difference. So, those savings, we pass them on to the patients. The savings of, we don't have those high liability costs, or we don't have markups with the implants, and we don't have a huge overhead cost. We can provide those savings towards the patients and do the same procedure that they will get wherever city they're at in US or Canada. Same protocols, same steps, but in Mexico. As a general rule, about 50%, because you have to take into account that they have to pay for their surgical package, but then they have to pay for their hotel, their flights. So they're maybe saving about 50%. But in some cases, they even can save more. Maybe it can even save up to 60 or 70%.
MTC is with you every step of the way. For your medical or dental trip, contact MTC today.